Hello viewers, and welcome back to Map Masters Tech. In our previous tutorial, we thoroughly examined the process of georeferencing a Mussavie onto a 36 by 40 acre grid, ensuring its precise alignment with real-world geographic coordinates. In today's session, we will delve into the method of clipping the Mussavie so that it conforms accurately to this acre grid based on the specific Mussavie parameters provided. To begin, make sure that your Mussavie is already properly georeferenced onto the grid, as illustrated on your screen. The next step is to clip the Mussavie to align with the acre grid. Start by selecting the acre that corresponds to the Mussavie's Maraba. After making this selection, navigate to the Windows menu and choose Image Analysis. In the Image Analysis window, select your Mussavie layer and then apply the clip tool. This process is swift, taking just 1 to 2 seconds, and will precisely clip the Mussavie to fit the selected feature. You see in your screen that the Mussavie is perfectly clipped. Now check each and every feature of the Mussavie that is perfectly clipped. Now save edits and export it according to your referred folder. Be sure to stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials. If you're interested in expanding your knowledge on cadastral mapping and related subjects, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, leaving a comment, and sharing our content. Thank you for your continued support and for watching.